Hola, buenos días y bienvenidos a Lingualinkhub. Comenzaremos este viaje en español estándar. Today you will learn 5 essential Spanish words and their pronunciation. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to greet anyone with confidence. Let's begin. These are 5 essential Spanish words. I call them magic words which you need for your daily use. The first one is Hola, hello, gracias, thank you, perdón, pardon, sorry, or excuse me, por favor, please, and lastly, adiós, goodbye. Now we listen to how they are all pronounced. The pronunciation. This word is pronounced as hola, hola. The H is silent. The H is never pronounced. Repitan después de mí. Hola, hola. Wow, good effort, everyone. For this pronunciation, we are going to be tapping the table or clapping our hand to get the rhythm. Okay, let's begin. Gracias, gracias. Did you get it? Okay, then repeat after me. Gracias, gracias. The next word, perdón, perdón. Is this word easy for you to pronounce? If yes, comment below and tell me. If you are enjoying it so far, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. The next word is por favor. Por favor. The V is pronounced as a soft B. Favor. Here is our final word for the day. Adiós. Adiós. Thank you for today's lesson, for your time and for your patience. We will see next time. Adiós.